Pakistan Air Force Base in Rafiki. Okay, we've just heard two explosions here in Srinagar in the air. Two big explosions in the air in Srinagar, where I'm reporting from right now. Don't want to speculate as to what they were, but they were pretty close by. I don't know if you were able to hear it. It sounded like it was in the air. These could have been drone countermeasures or something else. Yeah, Kitty, we've just heard two explosions while we were reporting. Definitely in the air, and we need to stay calm and try and figure out what this was. But remember, last evening, there were drone intercepts that took place in Srinagar, near the Srinagar airport. But we're going to try and get more information about what this was. This sounded like some kind of an intercept, in the air. I don't know if it was an incoming drone or what it was, but clearly, all defenses are up. All air defenses are at maximum alert at this point of time. Two unusual explosions. My camera person Ashwini also heard them just now. And there was an air raid siren and a complete blackout. We've just woken up after a night-long blackout here in Srinagar. I'm gonna wait for just a moment until I get some more information on this. But two big explosions have just taken place in the air, not far from where I am, possibly somewhere close to the Srinagar airport. But we'll wait to get more information on that. This is from Srinagar.